Hey, welcome to Quirky Stuff. Here I'm Rasmin and I'm up with a new video on showing how to make string art. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting notified for the latest updates. Here I have taken a wood of 32 cm both length and breadth, and I have chosen a word BLISS. So we'll just keep it, and I have a moon right on the top, and we will need few pins and threads, also hammer. So first of all, we'll just put the pins with the help of a hammer just on the lining of the word, of the letter of the word. We'll keep few spaces between the nails, and we'll just follow this procedure. We'll keep equal spaces between the nails, then we'll just rotate it for more convenience. We shall put the pins in the same way. Here I'm done with the work. Now I'm just putting the pins on the lining of the mold. Make sure you keep equal spaces. Now we are done. Now we'll just peel off the paper. Slowly. I'm done. Now we'll just use threads. I'm using 5 different threads for the 5 letters. So let's start. First of all, we'll just give a knot on the first nail. Make sure it is tight enough. I've given around 2 to 3 knots. Then we just wrap it on the nails one by one. There is no specific pattern for making these ball letters. So we'll just wrap it randomly. All we need is just to cover this with thread. So you can follow any pattern you want. Just make sure it gets wrapped, not a single space gets left. So here I'm just putting it randomly. Just follow the pins, the lining of the pin, and just keep on wrapping it back and forth. Make sure you touch each pin with the thread. You can also keep it light, but I want a dark shade, so I will just wrap it for more time. Keep on wrapping till it becomes dark and it fills each space. As I said before, if you want the shade to be light, then you can just wrap it for a few times. but here I want the color to be more vivid, so I'm just wrapping it for more times. Now I'm just doing the outer line. For doing that, you have to just wrap it in the same pattern from the outside, and when you are done, then just tie a knot on the end. In the same way, I'm just doing another letter. We'll also do it in the same way, randomly, the way we want. Just focus on filling up the spaces, free spaces, with the thread. On the same way, wrap threads on the other letters and then tie a knot on the last. Here it is done, and here I have wrapped the moon with a silver thread, so you can also do the same. And lastly, thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.